Cardinal King reporting in once again, this time with Bursts of Destiny packs that we're going to open. Just like the Grand Creator packs we had last time, we got 26 blisters here. And we got them at a steep discount, so hopefully these will be better than those Grand Creator packs and we won't have every single pack having a misprint. So we'll use the magic and power of video editing to open these. Ta-da! We got these out of their blisters. So I acquired these along with the Grand Creator packs from a big box store here in the US. So hopefully these also aren't misprinted like our last set. But we'll see. Let's start. Alright, we've got Sonic Tracker. We've got Night Flight. We got Apex Predation. We've got the Penguin Cleric. Very religious penguin here. Supernatural Danger Zone. Oh, this is a very cool looking card. Look at that. It's the goblins taking care of those beasts and like a skeleton dinosaur. That's an awesome looking card. Wow. Undaunted Bumpkin Beast. Detonation Code. Penguin Ninja. Great addition to the ninja archetype here. We got Laundry Trap. And that's it. On to the next pack. Alright, so far so good. We don't have any misprints. Alright, we got Signet Crosswipe. Signet Cascade. Magic Key Battle. Sonic Tracker. We're close to the playset of this guy. Ultimate Flagship Urestran. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is a Drytron card. Awesome. You got the Nyami. Another Penguin Ninja. Magnificent Magic Key Mafteal. Beat Trooper Landing. Alright, on to the next pack. So since these are blisters, there's no rarity guarantee on these guys. So cross your fingers and hope for the best, boys, because we're in for a ride. Magical Cylinders. This is awesome looking artwork. Look at that. It's like a barrel load shotgun of magical cylinders. Well, it's more of like a magnum, but oh, that's awesome. It lets you grab a magical cylinder. Signet Crosswipe. Soul Sword Assessment. Signet Cascade. Fonderies and Robina. Cupid Pitch. Royal Penguin's Garden. Reptilian Recoil. Got the Nyami. We're going to go middle, left, right this time. Hopefully that gives us some luck. Alright, if you're at home, blow on this pack for good luck, because here we go. Ice Shades Ophelia. Giant Starfall. Gemini's Lord Gold Knight. I have no clue what this archetype is, but it looks hilarious. It's a Gemini archetype, yeah? Rebuild Reindeer, awesome name. And we have the Soul Sword Strategist Long Yuan. Cool little super there. Or Ultra. Got the Transonic Bird. You've got Fengli, the Soul Rapam. Got the Beetle Trooper Squad. Cupid Pitch. Ice Shade Tanola. And we're back to Giant Starfall. Alright, cool. We got one good pull already. Next pack. so we got a Draco card. We got Heritage of the Light, Magic Key Battle, Abyss Keeper, Penguin Squire. Ooh, and we got a secret, boys and girls. We got the Zoria, the Majestuous Conflagrant Calamity. Ooh, look at that. Love that shiny cardboard. Although it is a little bent already, which is a shame. Got the Night Sword Serpent. Danger, Disturbance, Disorder. Awesome. Is the Chupacabra on there? Oh no, it's just like soldiers fighting these giant kaijus. Transonic Bird. Got another Fengli. And there we go. So 2 good pulls already, back to back. This might be our lucky packs here, making up for last time. We got Heritage of the Light, Flip Frozen, Sonic Tracker, Flounderies and Toucan, Flounderies in the Dreaming Town, Ice Shade Acti, Magic Key Locking, got locked out of his house, Threshold Borg, and Starry Night Orbitael. Okay, cool. Next pack. Alright, give me all your luck, guys, because I need it. Alright, we're looking for that DP in here. Heritage of the Light. Flip Frozen, Let It Go, Cynet Crosswipe, Cynet Cascade, and we got Branded and High Spirits. These branded cards are going up in price right now because of the new structure deck that's coming out, so cool pull. Got Beat Trooper Landing, Magnificent Magic Key Melifet, Royal Penguin's Garden, Cupid Pitch. So we've already got a playset of most everything in this pack. I guess with only 100 cards, you're gonna end up with a lot of repeats. So, next pack. Soul Sword Assessment, Cynet Cascade, Ice Shade Tanola, Gemini's Lord Gold Knight, and we got another secret. Nice. Really lucky packs. Awesome. Flounderies and Snow Owl. Very, very nice. Magic Key Locking, Niami, Laundry Trap, Beetle Trooper Assault Rover, or Roller, and that's it. Alright, next pack. Let's keep that luck coming, boys. We're going to pull at least 2 more secrets out of here. We got our Sushi Uni. That looks delicious. I love how there's cranes lifting up the sushi there. Like the fish in that universe are enormous. Night Flight, which looks like some sort of romantic anime card. Set in a dystopic cyberpunk future where they must drive motorcycles to survive. Magical Cylinders, Cynet Crosswipe, Flounderies, and Eaglin. I guess that's the next deck we're going to build because we're getting all Flounderies stuff. Penguin Ninja, Beetle Trooper Landing, Magic Key, Maleficent. These are better quality than what we've gotten recently. This guy's got a little scuff on here, but this has been the first miscut or scuffed up card we've gotten. So I'm pretty happy with the quality of this core set. Yeah, it seems to be like almost like as if Konami has 2 factories, one for the core set and then another one that has less quality for the side sets. Alright, we got Magical Cylinders. We got another Gunkin ship. Oh, look at that. That's awesome looking. That makes me super hungry now. Another Gunkin ship. Apex Predation. Branded in red. All these branded cards, like I said before, red hot right now. Night Sword Serpent. Brave Dive. Flounderies and Stry. Got a Starry Night Orbital. And we're back to the original card. Alright, we're going to take one from this row. And open him up. We got Apex Predation. We've got the Penguin Cleric. We've got Outstanding Dog Mary, which is the companion to Marion. Look at that. It's got question marks on the card art there. Giant Starfall. Got the Ad Liptium of Despia. Again, all this Despia stuff super hot right now. Just because of the structure deck, so glad I'm pulling these. The Trooper Landing. Penguin Ninja. We've got the 10th Magic Key here. Magic Key Locking. Apex Predation. And that's the pack. Oh. If you guys have opened Burst of Destiny, let me know what you guys got. I'm interested to see what the ratios on these things are. Alright, we've got Ice Shade Tanola. Giant Starfall. Gemini's Lord Golden Knight. Rebuild Reindeer. Foundries and Eaglin, so that's our second one. Brave Drive. Fengli. Night Sword Serpent. Danger, Disturbance, Disorder. Yep, and that's it. Next pack. Alright, here's the Gunkin Suship. Break the Destiny. Awesome. First little hint of Destiny stuff in here. It's one of my favorite archetypes, by the way. Got another Draco card. Flip Frozen. Equilibrium of Despia. Threshold Borg. Magic Key Locking. Starry Night Orbital. Eurasic Drytron. So more Drytron things. That's cool. Look how cute this guy is. Alright, next pack. I think we've been grabbing just from the left, so let's do a middle one. Got the Romantic Anime card, Apex Predation, Penguin Cleric, Giant Starfall, Ice Jade Cradle. Awesome. Got the Cupid Pitch, Soul Sword Blackout, Danger, Disturbance, Disorder, Foundries and Stream, and we're going to start putting these over here now. Next pack. Cynet Crosswipe, Giant Starfall, Soul Sword Assessment, Penguin Squire, and we've got a Sunvine Sowing. These were Sunseed cards. I don't think I've pulled any in any of these packs yet. Soul Sword Blackout, Transonic Bird, Danger, Disturbance, Disorder. Alright, next pack. Yeah, honestly, when I was a kid, I didn't open packs much. I always bought singles, so this is kind of fun for me. It's a different experience. It replaces going to the casino for me right now that we're in the time of a pandemic here. So we got Magic Key Battle, Sonic Tracker, Night Flight, Evil Twins, Trouble Sunny. Nice. It's our second Ultra. These guys are cool. This is a cool archetype. They're like internet trolls. Cupid Pitch, Soul Sword Blackout, Foundries and Stry, Danger, Disturbance, Disorder, Cynet Cascade. Next pack, boys and girls. We've got Abyss Keeper. It's cool. We haven't pulled this guy yet. Penguin Squire. The Mimicking Maneater Bug. This is an awesome retrain. Look at how awesome that art is. Foundries and Toucan. Another super heavy Beat Trooper Mighty Neptune. Cool, cool, cool. Royal Penguin Gardens, Keep It Pitch, Soul Sword Blackout, Danger. Lucky packs, guys, lucky packs. This makes up for the bad Grand Creators pulls. Oh, they weren't technically bad. They were just not as lucky, right? Got Abyss Keeper, Penguin Squire, Mimicking Man-Eater, Fonderies, and Toucan. These are in the same order as the last pack. And we have the Incredible Ecclesia, the Virtuous. Another secret. That's the third secret we've pulled. So, thanks for the luck, guys. Really appreciate that. Awesome card. Great super. Gunkinship Shirao, which just makes me want to go get some food. Beat Trooper Squad. Undaunted Bumpkin Beast. Night Sword Serpent. And on to the next pack. Fingers crossed for that DP, boys. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. Even if it's the last pack we pull, we're going to get it. We're going to get it in Starlight. Magical Cylinders. Sidnet Crosswipe. Soul Sword Assessment. Aisha Tinola. Fonderies and the Unexplored Winds. Cool, cool, cool. Ah. We've got the Magic Jade Acti. Reptiline Recoil. Gunkinship Shirao. Beat Trooper Squad. And that's it. Next pack. We're running out of packs, boys and girls. We've only got one in here. Got 5 more packs, not counting this one I have in my hand. So 6 in total. Alright, we got Flip Frozen, Sonic Tracker, Fonderies and Toucan, Abyss Keeper, Fonderies and Ravina. We dropped a Beat Trooper Assault Roller, Gunkinship Shirao, Transonic Bird, Undaunted Bumpkin Beast, and that's the pack. Oof. Got 5 more packs, and we still need to get that DP. Alright, Gemini's Lord Golden Knight, Ice Jade Tinola, Rebuild Reindeer, Reptiline Quaddle, Soul Sword Spice Chunjin. Hope I pronounced that right or got even close. Got Cupid Pitch, Royal Penguin Gardens, Reptilian Recoil, and we're done. Come on, guys, give me all your luck. Cross your fingers for me. Cross those fingers for me. Signet Crosswipe, Soul Sword Assessment, Signet Cascade, Ice Shade Tinola, Destiny Hero Denier. Awesome. This Destiny Hero looks like he came out of a discotheque. But he does have the same weapon as the Doom Lord. Look at that. He's got the chain, the D chain. Reptiline Recoil, Reptiline Niami, Beat Trooper Landing, Penguin Ninja. Next pack. We got 3 left. Heart of the Cards, guide us. Soul Sword Assessment, Penguin Squire, Gunkinship, Magical Cylinders, Evil Twins, Trouble Sunny. So we got a repeat Ultra here. Brave Drive, Fonderies and Stry, Starry Night Orbitiel, Penguin Ninja, and that's the pack. One more, guys. Hands raised right now to give me your energy, so this is the DP. Alright. Signet Cascade. Tinola, we got the Gemini's Lord Golden Knight. DD Assault Carrier. Reptiline, I can't pronounce that. Meluzine. Awesome looking, but can't pronounce it. Reptiline Niami, Beat Trooper Landing, Penguin Ninja, Magnificent Magic Key, and Silent Cascade. Last pack, boys and girls. And let's put these two together here. Get all your luck so we can pull another secret. Let's make it 4. Magical Cylinders, Gunkin Ship Uni, Apex Predation, Reptilian Quaddle. Let's go. We've got a heavy Beat Trooper Mighty Neptune, so we got 2 of these bad boys. Got a Detonation Code, Penguin Ninja, Laundry Trap, Ice Shade Acti. And that's it, guys. That's all we've got. I think it was pretty good. We got better odds than we would have in a box. Alright, guys, and that's it for this opening. Don't forget to do all that goofy stuff that YouTubers ask you to do. Like and comment and subscribe. And hey, if you don't smash the hell out of that subscribe button, I'm going to smash you. Capiche? Ciao.